Welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain the ramp app review in order to see if the app worth using. So let's really dive into it. Talking about the ramp app, the ramp app offers a powerful corporate expense management system that allows business to issue cards, automate experience tracking, and enforce spending rules, and also integrate with accounting platform, all in a sleek mobile interface. The company reports major time saving in reconciliation and also improve visibility into spending. However, ramp does come with important caveat. It's primarily designed for United States-based incorporate business, required a strong financial profile, and some user says customer support can be inconsistent and advanced features may need higher type plan. So if your business has the right size and structure, ramp is absolutely worth using. But for smaller or international companies, the fit may not be as strong. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.